I told him, yes, I will cooperate. I will be able to identify Moses Bia, Mafika Ntanzi, Gwabeni Zungu. I'll pause there.
Ngamtshela ukuthi yebo ngizosebenzisana ngakwazi ke ukuthi noma ngakhona ke ukuthi ngikhombe uMoses Bia, Mafika Ntanzi
and Gwabeni Zungu.
noGwabeni Zungu. There's no such a thing as this that is mentioned here. These are lies.
Now the question to you is, are you able to identify Moses Bia today as you stand there?
Umbuzo kuwena ke ulona ke nanjengoba umi la umi khona ke namuhla ungamkhomba yini uMoses Bia?
Yebo ngamkhomba.
Yes, I can.
Are you able to identify Mafika Ntanzi?
Mafika Ntanzi?
Yes ngamkhomba.
Yes, I will be able to.
Are you able to identify Gwabeni Zungu?
Gwabeni Zungu?
Ya ngamkhomba.
Yes, I will
So
be able
how
to.
is this statement a lie?
Manje ke amanga kanjani lokho?
Ngoba into engazange ngiyitshele Kininda leyo mina. Ngangizokhuluma ngani ngamaphoyisa engangwazi kuphi azobophela ini. Ngangena kuphi mina fika senze umeyini.
I would not have said this to Kininda because these are lies. How would I have mentioned Kininda? Sorry, the police. What did I know about the death of Senzo Meyiwa?
Ngicela kancane Mrs. Banda. Silungise lapha. Bengishilo Mrs. Banda ukuthi kungafiki ukuthi ungangiphushe to the point yokuthi wena ufuna ngoba mina ngingaphansi ngokomthetho bese ufuna ukungicindezela. Bese ngathi nafanele ngibele impilo yami kuwe.
I mentioned this before, Mr. Sibanda, and I made this request that it should not get to a point where I'm being suppressed by you, because when it comes to the law, I'm lower compared to you, where now I have to, it leads to a point where I have now to fight for my life to you.
Okwesibili boss Banda. Ngicela understand ukuthi la sikule case le ayipheleli la. Ungagcini mhlambe usekubesa ngathi mhlambe umsebenzi wakho mhlambe uyalukuzana mhlambe ubeka umsebenzi wakho ezingeni lokuthi mhlambe mina ngiyibone ngingelutho kuwe.
And in this case,
njengomuntu ophethe umthetho fanele nami ube ungicabangela side lami.
in this case, just doesn't end here. Your line of work should not put you in a position where you see me as being at the lower rank compared to you. You must also be considerate to me.
You see, I will pretend as if I did not hear what you said. My question to you is, how is it a lie that you will be able to point out Moses Bia, Mafika Ntanzi, as well as Gwabeni Zungu?
Kuyingoba ngaza ngitshela Kininda khona.
It's because I've never said that to Kininda.